What's up, beautiful people? You know it's a boy Lando Clans, and today they are in the process. I deal with some oxtail. Yes, today I'll be doing some brown stew oxtail for you guys. So here my in the cleaning process. Yeah, getting rid of the excess fat, all of that. And after I clean there, I will be removing into some fresh clean water. All right, now guys, now I'm gonna wash the meat with some vinegar, right? Just a little vinegar, because I don't really have any lime juice at the moment, so I'll just use some vinegar, yeah, and wash off the rawness, wash off most of the rawness, right? So I'm just gonna wash and then move over and start seasoning the meat. Okay guys, now I'm gonna crush some fresh garlic, yeah, because it's very important to use some fresh garlic when you're cooking your meat. It helps to tenderize the meat, yeah. So I'm just gonna strip them off right here, and then I'm gonna cut them, add some in the meat, and then the rest I will add it into the pot, because I'm gonna pressure the meat. Yeah, I'm gonna pressure the meat, so I'm gonna burn some of the garlic in the cooking oil and a little bit of oil, and then I will just add the meat and brown it off a little bit. And after browning off the meat, I will be adding the seasoned water, which will contain the season. I will be adding it into the pot, and then I will close it and let it pressure for 25 minutes. 25 to 30 minutes, okay? So let's do this.
Alright, let's brown off this one now. You can brown off it now, and just add a little bit of water and make it cook. You know, my pressure it for about 30 minutes, but I'm run it off with the garlic and all of them things, so it have a nice flavor.
Remember guys, whenever you're using pressure cooker, please ensure that the pressure is properly locked, okay?
Right, now me transfer it in this pot now. I go season him up now and put in my beans and all of them thing there. Cause as I say, pressure it for only 30 minutes. So you can pressure for 30 minutes and stop and check just in case, cause sometimes some meat is more tougher than some. I got in the broad bean. Yeah, there's no way in the world that you can cook oxtail and do not add your broad bean to it. Broad bean is very important. Yes guys, as I say, yeah, let's add some ketchup in that. Right, that's all. Add in the season them. You know, set up on the final. Alright, so yes guys, now we reach the part now we're gonna share. Now we're gonna serve our oxtail. As you can see how beautiful it is. Look at that. Very soft and nice, right? So I'm just gonna serve some on the plate with some broad bean. Look at the broad bean. Look at that oxtail. Beautiful, ain't it? Yeah, real Jamaican oxtail. Yes guys, I make it to the end of the video. As I said, got a brown stew oxtail with rice and peas, brown bean, and this is the finishing product. So remember to hit that like button, share the video, comment, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe for me.
It tastes awesome, but the meat don't want to cook it come
What?
meat don't want to cook it soft.
No, oxtail not for cook soft.
You know tell me, look from when me a cook oxtail, look from when you start cook oxtail.
Oxtail not cook nice when it's soft.
When you tough, you know nice neither.